Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is from the company Figma. They are hiring remote work from home within the United States only. They are looking for a community moderation specialist. This is non-phone, but real quickly, if you are interested in applying to this, the link to this page that I share is always in the YouTube description box below. But they are looking for someone to be the voice of Figma as you help moderate files, plugins, widgets, and creating a safe and engaging online platform for their community of creators that create these different files, widgets, plugins. So you'll support the growing online community with all of those things. You'll create an excellent community support experience, maintaining healthy online communication and a timely engagement with their customers. You'll analyze and carry out existing policies and community guidelines to make sure that consistency with Figma's values is being followed. You'll also work closely with different teams within Figma, including legal, marketing, on complex issues, and provide quality resolutions. You'll act as the point person for all things community content related, such as publishing flows, review guidelines, and standards. You'll review the community content that has been triggered by their internal system or flagged by users that does not adhere to the content guidelines and the established community policies. If that sounds like something you're interested in, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has 2 years experience working in risk, fraud, trust and safety, or some kind of content moderation environment, preferably with a software as a service product environment. Someone who has experience reviewing and handling sensitive content, someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, great judgment skills, and can carry out policy decisions. Of course, you have to have great attention to detail and good organizational skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list the pay for this position. I did look on their Glassdoor page. They do have a Glassdoor page, but there was no community moderation job title listed for me to research pay. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for if this job lead was not for you. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.